Hello guys, TheCuberCubes here, and today we have an unboxing from TheCuberCubes.com. Let's get this over. So, let's get into it. So guys, in this package we have a bunch of exciting new puzzles that I've been wanting to get for a few months now. So yeah, some of these are new, some of these are pretty old, though yep, we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so in here we have the MF9 9x9. I got the 8x8 and I just Fusion Kylan V2M, a new budget cube from Fusion. Some Weight 5, a fidget spinner, a random one that I got for free with the order, a very nice business card we have here, an X-Men Galaxy V2M Megaminx, and the main event of today, the Dayan Tengyun. So let's get right into it. I'm actually not gonna be looking at this spinner. It's just not keeping related, and I don't like adding it into the video. So I have the Fusion Kylan V2M. I tried Derpy Cubers at a BU, and I heard it's pretty good. A lot of people like it, though I don't think it's gonna be my main, just because of the tiles, and I can't recognize tiles. I have scissors. So yep, here we have the cube. It feels really nice and stable and small. I like it. We have a pamphlet. Let's just zoom right in. Get all of these off to the side. Get in first turn. So I like the logo. The tiles actually don't feel very tile. So yep, let's get on the first turns. Okay, this is really good. Okay, right now I like it because it's the magnets are not that strong, so the cube just flows with like a lot of ease. The corner cutting is very bad right now. It's really hard to do corner cuts. How tight is it? Yeah, it's really tight. Though it does feel like a cube with lots of potential. Certainly not, I don't think, main worthy right now. But yeah, it's overall a good cube. It's not amazing, but it's not bad either. And for the $9 that I bought this for, this is 100% worth it. I'm gonna be setting this up and making probably a review on it since it's so good. Next up, we have the MF9. So I have an MF8, but it popped, so I never got it. So I guess I ripped the package because I don't care about these types of boxes. So we have this cube. Feels a little bit bigger than the MF8, but not as big as I thought it would be, honestly. Just gonna open this up. One of the things is this puzzle is not very new. So the first thing I noticed is that it's not at all lubey on the outside. Like the MF8 literally was covered in lube. So we're just gonna get into first turns. This actually turns really well. Might want to add a little bit of lube to speed it up. Though honestly, for a $35 9x9, it does not turn bad. You do have to put some effort into it. Though I might just add some like Martian, and then I'll just speed it up a tiny bit, and it'll just feel a little bit nicer. It's really smooth, but it's extremely sluggish. It actually feels a little similar than the MGC. It has like a more of a sandy feel. I mean, not the MGC, the Kylan. It's like it has a sandy feeling, but it's still kind of smooth, and it doesn't feel like they feel really similar. Weirdly enough. Let's check corner cutting. Can do that's actually a lot more. No reverse, yeah. These cubes don't have, so I'm gonna be doing a live stream pretty soon, solving this thing. So make sure to watch out for that. So let's get on to the X-Men Galaxy V2M now. Whoa, what the heck happened to my light there? What is going on here? Anyways, I don't care much about this box. This is hard. So I have the original X-Men V1, and it's my main, though I sold my MGC to Cube Corner because it just didn't fit my turning style very well. So yeah, very nice box. Comes with first fancy box of the day. It comes with a cube, pretty small. I like it. So I've used a lot of these in competition because I borrow my friends because I'm cheap. So in here we have just the black pieces. I don't mind much about that. We have a pamphlet in there, and yeah, that's about it. So here we have the cube. It feels pretty small, contained kind of. So let's go on to first turns. Honestly, it feels extremely weird. It's really small. I'm gonna have to get used to that, though. It's kind of sluggish, It's smooth. Though it doesn't feel like corner cuts very well. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it honestly. It's kind of like how do I explain this? It's kind of like sluggish, fast, though like the magnets are so strong that it kind of makes the cube feel like slow. But anyways, so this cube is probably already my main out of the box. I'm going to be getting into Mega Minx a lot more. I haven't done Mega Minx in a while, so that'll be nice. So I like the logo too. It's a good cube. It's not bad at all. Honestly, it's a decent cube. So now that we got through these cubes a little bit quickly, that I'm not talking much about them, we're actually going to get into the Dayan Tengyun, which is actually the main event of this video. So actually, my main 303 right now is actually a GAN 356X. Though I got the Tengyun because I heard it's a Dayan cube, and this is actually my first ever Dayan cube because I don't have a sand cheat, I don't have any of that, and I didn't get the 2018 or 2017 version, so this is one hard box to open. My god, how do you open this thing? Maybe a pencil works? This is annoying. Okay, so first off, I'm kind of getting pissed at this cube already since the box was way too hard to open. That's the hardest box I've ever had to open. So we're just gonna get this in focus. So yeah, it looks pretty nice out of the box. So now that I fixed the lighting, I kind of it. So here we have the cube. It feels pretty small in my hands. It comes in a cool box. It reminds me of the block power box. So cube and nice magnetic box. So in here we have a pamphlet with some algs, and in here I don't know what's in here actually. Some spare springs. Might try these because I want to try some like springs on it for some reason. Just because I heard that it's not the best out of the box, though it's Phil U's main, and Phil U is a good cuber. So I believe him. So whoa, that is way too. That's like I can literally feel the loop, and it's getting on my hands. And it's sticky. I don't know, like you can see the lube. That's disgusting. Like you can see it right there. Yeah, that's disgusting. Well, let's get on to first turns anyways. Okay, so out of the box, it feels a little sticky, honestly. It's quiet as heck. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's like a sandy, but smooth feeling. I can't really turn it that well since it's so lubey on the outside. And like the lube's getting out, like, and it's also like really tight. But it feels tight, but it's loose, and it like corner cutting. Okay, that's actually really good corner cutting. What the heck? What is this corner cutting? This is effortless. Holy crap! Cube is effortless corner cutting. So the turning's nice. It's just lubey on the outside. My hands are like filled with lube right now. I actually might make this. I really like it. So yeah. So overall, I like this cube a lot. Fits my turning style. It's smooth. The corner cutting feels really good. Reverse, pretty good actually. A little bit more effort than I would like, though. Normal corner cutting. Seriously, what is this? Well, anyways, so this cube out of the box is smooth. It's really quiet, though. That's kind of like a sandy feeling. It feels really unique. It feels nice and soft. I'm gonna let you guys hear the turning here. Yeah, it's like smooth. It's kind of interesting, actually. So anyways, my hands are kind of filled with lube. I'm going to be probably making a review on this since it's a good cube. So yeah, overall, really nice cubes we got here. So overall, some very nice cubes from the Cubicle. Shipping was super fast. I ordered it, and literally the day that I ordered it, 30 minutes later, it was shipped out. So special thanks to the Cubicle for getting it out so quickly. Overall, you guys enjoyed more of this bigger unboxing. I haven't done one of these in the past. I usually just do 1 to 2 cubes. So if you did enjoy it, please like it. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support on my latest videos and the bunch of subscribers we have been getting. So overall, all these cubes are very nice. I honestly enjoy turning the 9x9 a lot. The Tengyun is that cube that has a lot of potential. Same thing with the X-Men Galaxy V2M. And the Kylan V2, honestly, is just a very good budget cube. So then, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my videos. And leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Please share this video if you liked it, because I really would appreciate it. And as always, Cuber Cubes out.